Hi guys, super quick video today. Hopefully you had an amazing week. The glare in my glasses, sorry, the window's right there. Just going to make some hamburgers tonight, the ones that we got yesterday in our Costco haul, and I wanted to throw together some keto cauliflower tater tots because hamburgers, tater tots. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay tuned to this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Alright guys, so we are going to start with a few very simple ingredients. This is just some Trim Healthy Mama baking mix. It's about a cup. I talked about that in another video, but you can just use almond flour. This is just a combination of almond, coconut, and some oat fiber. I'm going to get one of these rice cauliflower Earth Choice. We got these from Costco, but it's basically just ready to eat cauliflower. It makes things so easy because it's just basically done for you. Gonna mix that in. You want it to be super dry to begin with because you want this to hold together, but you don't want it to be really wet because we're gonna form these later on. So I just like to toss the cauliflower with this, and then we're gonna season it up. I'm gonna use some Lowry seasoning salt, just so that we can add a little bit of flavor. But if you want to use pink seasoning salt, you can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Again, this is all to taste. Like, you decide what you would like. A little bit of onion powder, not too much, because we are going to be adding some chopped onion flakes. Have you ever had? Do you remember as a kid, when you grew up, you could either make or have regular tater tots, or you could have the onion ones. When I was little, the onion ones, I was like, oh no, get it away from me. But now that I'm an adult and I have such sophisticated taste, I really like the onion in there. Just gonna add the rest of this shredded Parmesan cheese that I got from Aldi. I would say that's about 1/4 of a cup. And some Tone Sacheriz. You know, I love a little spice in there. And 1 egg. It's literally just that simple. Let me throw this away really quickly. Mix this up. The egg is obviously going to be your binder. And you just want this to come together and form a little bit of a dough. Now what I'm gonna do is we're not gonna eat right this second. It's only about 6 or so. So we're gonna eat a little bit later, but I wanted to mix this up ahead of time because I want all of the ingredients to soak up and be easily formed into a tater tot dough. Now this is gonna sit, I would say, for as long as you want. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, okay? And I'll be back when I'm ready to form these into tots. Who doesn't love a tot? Okay guys, so we are back. It's a little bit later, and I have my trusted dusty, well not dusty, I just like to rhyme, my trusty scoop. And what we're gonna do is, this has had a chance to sit and soak up all the moisture. And I don't know, I feel like it's not a tot if you don't make it into the little tot shape. So, and this is literally like Play-Doh. So you literally just form it into that little tot shape that we all know and love, just like that. How cute is that? And put it right on this seal pad. This is a silicone pad with a half baking sheet from a restaurant supply store that I got not long ago. Anyway, I'm going to finish. I'm going to make all these tots, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for 350. I'll bring you back when the tots are done. Well, when they're formed, and show you. Alright guys, so you see these 2 cute little rows, which is perfect because it's just me and Jarrell, of our tater tots. Here's a closer look at them. They literally look like regular tater tots. I'm going to spray them with a little bit of the coconut oil cooking spray. I can show you that now. And the reason I have this left open is because I'm going to toast the buns. And this gives a place for those to be. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and then I'm going to cook the hamburgers in the cast iron grill skillet. So let's get these in. So guys, in case you're wondering, we're using these. We got them from Costco. They are Meat House Steakhouse Tri-Tip Angus beef patties. They are only 1 carb, and they smell delicious, and they look really good too. So this is what they look like. Just gonna use these in the cast iron. And do you guys use these ever? They're splatter guards, and you just put them over because I suspect that this is gonna sizzle a lot. All right, gonna get these in here, just like this. They look really seasoned, so I'm literally not gonna add anything on there, which makes me nervous because I usually would never cook unseasoned burgers or burgers that I didn't season myself, but I'm gonna, trust these. And there's 8 of them, so we're gonna do 2 rounds of 4. So while these are cooking, I just want to show you guys the buns, the hamburger buns that we're using from the Smart Baking Company. These are 0 carbs, and you can see they're very spongy, and this is the texture on the inside. Guys, these are legit for 0 carbs, and you get the little sesame seeds. I feel like having it on a hamburger bun really does make a difference, and they're really soft. If you're interested in these, we do have a discount code. Just look down in the description box, and you can just go to the Smart Baking Company, and it's the the discount code is at BoosCruize. That's at BOSCRUIZE. All right, let's give these a flip and see what we got. See here. Ooh. Oh yeah, grill marks. Now guys, if this one looks like it could have gone a little bit longer, but in general, if you have a hard time getting it up, chances are like this isn't ready yet. So wait until it is naturally pulling away from the side, and that means that it is ready to flip. First round done. Look at those grill marks. Yummy. Alright you guys, so tater tots are done. They're brown and crispy. You can see, yum. And the buttered bread is done as well, the bun. So let's make some burgers and tots. Alright you guys, your favorite part of the video.
Best part.
That's right.
The taste. Alright, so we have our tots here. I'm gonna eat them.
Yes. A little crunchy tot.
A little crunchy tot. I like to dip mine in ketchup.
Who doesn't?
Ketchup lover.
Little sugar-free ketchup.
Oh yeah, sugar-free ketchup
Keto.
for sure. But whatever your dipping choice preference is.
Yep. A little tater tot.
It's tater tottish.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can taste the onion in here. It has a nice slight crunch.
Mm-hmm. You could also, you guys,
Soft on the inside.
if you have a air fryer, you can do it in your air fryer as well. I just did it in the oven, so
But they're good.
Yeah.
It'd probably be more crunchier if you fried them, maybe, right? But
right.
I like these.
Awesome. Going in for another one. Yes,
Yeah.
make some tots. All right, and then
You want the burger too?
Yeah, we want the burger.
All right, so I made my burger.
What is that bun?
Well, it's the Smart bun.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes.
Smart baking bun,
Smart
guys.
baking bun.
Smart
and I
baking
put
bun.
some bacon that David made the other day.
Oh yeah, some spiced candied bacon.
Mm-hmm. Some cheddar cheese. And some mayonnaise and mustard.
Oh yes.
I usually like my burgers with tomatoes and lettuce, but we don't have it.
We do not. So he's roughing it.
Roughing it. But yeah, look at that patty. It looks so like.
Yeah,
thick.
that tri-tip patty.
Mm-hmm. So let's go ahead. This is good.
How's the burger?
Burger's good. Like it feels like I'm not missing out on anything. Like this bread tastes like normal bread.
Which is amazing.
It's amazing. This is great
0 net carbs in that bread.
Like I'm at a barbecue or something.
Yes. So guys, if you Come on with the bites. If you guys are interested in those buns, again, it's in the description below. You can use the discount code at BoosCruize. It's Smart Baking Company, and that's what he's putting on his. I'm putting a special ingredient on mine that I had at a restaurant that he's like, what? Well, he can't eat it anyway.
I can't eat it,
But guys, have you ever had a peanut butter burger? I know it sounds weird, but peanut butter and bacon just like work. Look, he's obsessed with the bacon. Who isn't?
Because it's sweet. He added like syrup or something to it.
No, I added Lakanto brown, golden maple, or golden sugar, but not really sugar. Monk fruit.
It's sweet. That's all I'm.
Oh my gosh! All right, we love you. Don't forget to follow us at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize, because you're worth it. Eat some Tots.